the love is burning sensation, illumination of destination of your final fixation. On being loved, on being truthful. You know you going down. I seen the sky falling down on people. I seen the world collapsing. I seen the fire burning. I seen the eyes reopen of the devil, of a Satan. Lucifer's gonna get you down in the pit of darkness, the sound of darkness within your mind. You see the loving on rocks and night. Come get your prize, baby. Don't disguise your eyes. I seen the devil. I seen the devil. I've been in his lair. I've been with devil. I wrote the poem of love in disguise, and your eyes are shining bright. I seen the colors of a rainbow melting in the sky. I seen the love truth collide, becoming like a paradigm of paradise. I feel your love's burning, I feel your love's turning. The sky is falling on me, the rain is falling from within my soul. It's like a rock and roll to your mind. It's a hammer to your skull, hammer to your love. It's a broken feeling that you never know. Sound of the darkness is touching your mind. Rumination of the innocence in the sky. Sound of the darkness is ripping you apart. So light is sinking, the love is dead, and never coming back alive. Your mind is ripped apart tonight. The sound of darkness, the poems of truth, the alchemy of love he cannot abuse. Reach the hands of butterfly, repeat its wings, show the strings pulling puppet up. You remedy, you the symphony, you perfect amalgamation of everything. Everything in love, everything in love. You know you're gonna die tonight, but you'll be reborn to be somebody else, somebody with wings and the angels yourself. You renegotiate your part of the deal you steal, then you conceal what you reveal. Your eyes burning down the summer pit of now. You're gonna turn into now. You feel it somehow, the suffering boils up. You feel unbreakable, the pool singing it up. You feeling enough, yeah.